The connection frame will arrive split into two packages. The textile part of the frame, including the transition piece, is packed together with the textile ducts. The aluminum rails are packed with the mounting accessories, usually in long boxes. First, unzip and detach the textile part of the frame from the transition piece. Rotate the frame part so that the corner holes are visible. Insert the longer rails into the holes first, followed by the shorter ones. Finally, align the rails and fasten them with a screw. Place the prepared frame onto the flange and secure it. Finally, reattach the transition piece. The labels on both parts must be aligned at the 12 o'clock position. At the bottom, you'll find magnets that prevent the strip from sticking out. Metal parts must be removed during maintenance.